India's rise will help define the 21st century. So will this coal-fired country's attitude to climate change. Buildings are one of the largest sources of man-made carbon emissions. Amid the hectic construction of high-tech city in Hyderabad, one building has kick-started an Indian green building movement. The Confederation of Indian Industry, Sohrabji Godrej Green Business Centre, was the first building outside the US awarded the LEED Platinum rating for green architecture. Completed in 2003, its energy consumption is half that of normal buildings. Workers' cars are sheltered from temperatures that often top 40 degrees Celsius by native trees, so they need not crank up the car AC when leaving. Inside, the entire office space is daylit. Conventional Indian offices spend 20% of their energy budget on lighting. Natural lighting not only saves energy, but also boosts productivity, as employees enjoy a pleasant working environment. The windows are made from recycled glass and are double glazed with a layer of argon between the panes, shielding the office from the sun's heat. All the office workstations are completely wood-free, made from compressed sugarcane.
In this building, nearly 90% of the materials involve extensive use of waste as a recycled material. The cladding you see on these columns is all waste material from a tile factory.
The building also recycles all of its wastewater, using 35% less potable water than normal buildings. From the toilet block, the water filters through a plant bed of rocks, pebbles and sand. The plants digest the waste, while the water drains into a pond from which it is used to irrigate plants. The recycled water also chills the air entering the air conditioning system, which is assisted by two cooling towers. These draw in air from the top, reducing its temperature by up to 7 degrees Celsius as it sinks, and before it enters the air conditioning system. Roof gardens nourished by the recycled water also help keep the building cool.
Without this roof garden, all the heat coming onto the roof enters the building and the inside will be much hotter. And the air conditioning system has to work harder to remove all that heat. So this building is covered with roof garden and the solar panels to take advantage of the solar heat. By having this roof garden, we have lesser temperatures up to 4 to 5 degrees.
The computer receives input about the temperature, humidity level, the carbon dioxide level in the outgoing air, and the lighting levels in different working spaces. And here we can see that the cooling towers are operational.
These solar photovoltaic panels produce around 100 to 120 kilowatt hours per day, and it meets nearly 15 to 20% of our daily consumption. The remaining power comes from the public grid. The solar panels also shield the roof from directly receiving the sunlight, thereby reducing the inside temperatures.
Designed around a traditional courtyard that provides ventilation and light, the Green Business Centre keeps its cool despite the fierce heat. It has been a catalyst for over 300 green building projects in India. Whether the mainstream Indian construction industry will embrace greener building standards remains to be seen. The Green Business Centre also promotes energy efficiency, renewables and climate change activities in India, which is already a world leader in energy efficient cement and pulp production. It aims to help make India a global leader in green business by 2015.